Welcome back to my channel, guys. Candy here, and I'm here to show you how to make this affordable afro wig. Hello again. Let's admire my pretty fingers. Okay, so I'm going to be using this mannequin head. I mounted it onto a stool. I'll be using this wig cap. It has two pieces inside, this thread and needles, a lot of needles actually. And I'll be using this hair, what's it called, funky, I think. So I just need like 4 pieces, and I'm just going to be taking only the black because I do not want a black and blonde wig. So I'm just going to take just black. Now this is how the wig cap looks like. They look like stockings, so I guess some people call it stocking cap. You're just going to fix it onto the mannequin head. So I fixed both of them and made sure they covered the ears, so they would be all balanced and stretched out for me to use. Also, if you do not want this to be too tight, especially if you have a bigger head, please try to get wig caps that are your head size. Now this is how it looks, and I'm just going to take off that golden thing, the hook or whatever, rim, and then I'm going to unfold it and start to fix it to the cap. That's the needle I'll be using, and I've already put in my thread. So I'm going to start from the nape. Assuming this is your head, this is the nape of your neck, right? So I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to use my needle to stitch the weave onto the cap. And I'm just going to start from one end and work my way to the other end of the weave. And I'm going to be sewing this round. There's nothing like back and forth. I'm just going to go like in a 360 motion until I'm done. So I would put it inside the hair, and then that's the weft of the hair, and then I'll go, or the band, and then I would stitch into the cap and bring it out through the cap. Now after stitching a couple times, I usually go in and make a knot, because you want it to be tight, not tight all the way, but you want it to be tight and comfortable as well. So I'm just going to keep repeating the same process. I'm going to stitch a few times and then make a knot, just the way I'm showing you. If you want to make a knot, you make a loop and then you put your needle through. So I'm just going to keep sewing around, and I'll meet you guys at the other end. Now we've gone all the way around, and it's time to start the second line. So what I like to do is to make sure that this part is secure, and as opposed to going on the same exact line as I did the first time, I'm going to make my knots and then try to elevate the weft of the hair a little bit more. So as opposed to doing it on the same line, just watch and see where I'm going to start from. It's going to be a little bit above. Do you see that? So that's what I'm going to do, and then go round and round and round until we get here. Now as you approach the center of the head, you want to give lesser space. So the space in between the wefts should be less, right? Because you want it to be fuller at top. So as you can see, we've gotten to the end, and I just, at that particular point, I'm just going to cut the excess hair and leave the little bit that I need to complete the hair. That's that little space there. So I'm just going to keep going round and round and round with this little one until it is properly tight, properly done, and the hair will keep getting in your way anyways, but just keep removing it and trying to secure. Now at this point, I'm really not poking my weave on cap. I'm just sewing the weft onto itself, because I don't want to tear the weave on cap on that. It's a very delicate thing. And yeah, I'm just going to keep sewing until I'm satisfied with how covered and how tight it is, and then I'm going to fasten and tighten my thread, and then cut the excess thread off. That's basically just it, guys. This wig is very affordable. I bought both packs of hair for it's 3,000, but then if you're buying singles like I did, you would probably get it for 2,000, because I used 4 bundles. And yeah, that's basically all I did, and I got a full head with excess. So what do you guys think of my results? It's my first time making a wig, guys. If you like this kind of content, I want you to comment what kind of content you'd like to see next. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I thought to show you guys how it looked from the inside. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You know how we do it now. And comment anything nice. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.